Discover the secrets of digital marketing. Did you know that over 60% of consumers research online before making a purchase? That means if you're not leveraging digital marketing, you're missing out on potential customers. Join me as I dive deep into the world of digital marketing and uncover what it's really all about. Welcome to today's video. Digital marketing is everywhere, but do we truly understand what it entails? Many believe it's just social media or paid ads, but it's so much more than that. In this video, we'll break down digital marketing in a simple, easy-to-follow way. So if you're a business owner, a marketer, or just curious about the field, this video is for you. Let's clear up some misconceptions. Many think digital marketing is just posting on Instagram or running Google Ads. But in reality, it's a full ecosystem. SEO, content, social media, email, and more, all working together. If you've ever felt overwhelmed or confused about where to start, don't worry. We're going to simplify it for you. Let's start by breaking it down into key components. 1. SEO, search engine optimization. Ever wondered why some websites rank higher than others on Google? And that's SEO at work. And it helps businesses get found by the right audience. Simple tweaks to keywords, backlinks, and site structure can boost rankings significantly. 2. Content marketing. Content is king. Blogs, videos, podcasts, they all build trust and authority. And great content helps educate, entertain, and convert potential customers. A well-placed blog post can drive traffic for months, even years. 1. Social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok are powerful tools for brand awareness. Engagement is key. It's not just about posting, it's about connecting. But the right strategy can turn followers into loyal customers. 2. Email marketing, one of the highest ROI digital marketing strategies. A personalized emails nurture leads and build relationships. The automation makes it even more effective. Set up a sequence once and let it work for you. 3. Analytics and optimization. If you don't measure, you can't improve. And Google Analytics, social media insights, and heat maps show what's working and what's not. Tracking data helps refine strategies and maximize results. So how does all of this impact businesses? A well-executed digital marketing strategy can be a game changer. It's not about throwing money at ads. It's about using the right tools and tactics to reach the right audience at the right time. Businesses that embrace digital marketing see growth, engagement, and most importantly, conversions. Let's recap. SEO helps you get found online. Content marketing builds trust and authority. Social media connects brands with their audience. Email marketing nurtures relationships. Analytics drive smarter decisions. Digital marketing isn't just one thing. It's a combination of strategies working together for success. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge with digital marketing? And if you want to learn more, check out our next video on digital marketing trends for 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.